How to delete all chats in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your chats in Messenger. Well, if you are confused on how you can delete all your chats in Messenger, it's actually quite easy and simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Messenger application, and once you open it up, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now I'll just open it up real quick, and you can see a bunch of text here. Now in order to delete a conversation, what you can do is you can simply tap and hold on that particular conversation that you want to delete, and here you'll get the option to archive, report, delete, mute, open chat head, mark as unread, and block. If you just wish to hide the chat, you can simply tap on archive and it'll be removed from here. As you can see from the screen here, it'll be removed from your Messenger unless you receive the chat from that person. However, if you just wish to delete it, you can simply tap and hold on that particular chat and then simply tap on delete, and you can see delete this entire conversation option popping up. Simply tap on delete and all of the chat will be deleted. Now if you wish to delete every single one of the chats on your Messenger, unfortunately you'll have to go through this step one by one. Simply tap and hold on the particular chat and delete, tap on delete, and do this for entire and every conversation in the chat. The Messenger doesn't give you any option to delete all your chats in once. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.